so small and round, dancing on the farm without a sound. Feathers yellow like the rising sun, and cuddling close for a cozy sleep. Oh, Pintino.
In the quiet corner of the garden, Hedgehog Sonic pokes his head out, with his sensitive nose sniffing around. Both little bugs and fruits go into his mouth. Lovely Hedgehog Sonic, with his small body, but brave spirit.
When the bell of fate starts to ring in this cold, empty room all alone, I remember the warmth of your smile that shone. In this cold, empty room all alone, I remember the warmth of your smile that shone.
Coming back, here comes our happy duck. Happy duck, quack, quack, quack all round. Happy duck, laughing as you glide. Hey! Sharing crumbs with the shy blue bird, helping turtle cross the way. Every friend is brighter on this day.